Let's say you have a great app idea. You have the energy, the smarts, the hustle to do something about it. But you're a busy executive. Maybe you have a family to take care of. You just don't have the time to do it all yourself. Honestly, it takes thousands of hours to learn how to code, a couple hundred more to build a single app. And that's not mentioning everything else that you need, like fundraising, marketing, hiring a team, talking to customers. And for most of our clients, that's where we're able to add the most value. For someone that doesn't have the time to direct a team on what to do, they really need someone to step in that really knows what they're doing and can self-manage. We take the reins of app development from end to end so that our clients don't need to stress out about the tech. Here's a recent example of a client that we helped. Gabe is the founder of Betmingo, an app that helps gambling enthusiasts find the perfect table game. Initially just in Las Vegas, but one day in all casinos. He's also a busy healthcare provider. Because he only had a few hours per week to dedicate to the project, he needed to hire someone that could step in and execute his vision without much supervision. There were a couple of main things that we did to really take the reins and push the product toward success without supervision. We needed to lead design from concept to validation by building something that was super simple and engaging for its end users, as well as knock the socks off of MGM executives. A tall order, but something that truly excited us. This was Gabe basically saying, look guys, I'm not a designer, you need to take my vision and make it happen. We took this idea, wireframed it, polished it off, and then we started testing the prototype with potential users until we got the positive feedback we needed to say that this is it. Then we had to put the right technical team in place. We assigned a project manager that had previous startup experience. He architected the technology so that it could be scalable to millions of users and narrowed down the features so that we wrote the least amount of custom code possible. Then we assigned 2 developers that have previous experience building successful products in the technologies of choice, being React Native and Firebase. In the end, we were able to put the best talent on the project, but save both short-term and long-term cost of development. One other thing that we did to add value was add robust analytics. We knew based on earlier conversations how imperative it would be to bring the early data to meetings with casino execs. So we added in-app analytics from day one so we could see what users were doing and when. And we also integrated Fabric and Crashlytics so that we could see how users were performing and the app was performing in real time. Of course, we did all of this without being told to do it. In the end, Gabe was able to save a ton of time and stress on the app development process so that he could focus his time and energy talking to customers, talking to casinos, and fundraising. If you're a busy executive like Gabe and you're on your 3rd or 4th hire of an app developer, you probably realize that time is your most valuable resource. Reach out to my team and we'll see how we can help.